Charles Robinson, born on 22 October 1870 in London, was a distinguished British book illustrator, celebrated for his intricate and whimsical design and captivate readers and brought stories to life. His artistic journey began in family steeped in artistic tradition. His father, Thomas Robinson, was a wood engraver, and his brother, Thomas Heath Robinson and William Heath Robinson, were also permanent illustrators. This creative environment fostered his talent from a young age. Robinson's formal education in art commenced at the Highbury School of Art and continued at the art school. However, financial constraints forced him to leave school prematurely. Despite this setback, Robinson pursued his passion for illustration with determination. He started working as an apprentice lithographer, gaining valuable experience in the printing trade, which would later influence his illustrative style. His breakthrough came in 1895 with his illustrations for A Child Garden of Verses by Robert Louis. This work, characterized by its delicate lines and cheating imagery, genre inspired acclaim and established Robinson as a permanent figure in the world of book illustration. The success of A Child Garden of Verses led to numerous commissions, and Robinson's career flourished. Robinson's style evolved over the years, but it constantly retained a scene of whimsy and fantasy. His illustrations often featured elaborate borders, details, backgrounds, and keen attention to detail. He had a unique ability to capture the essence of the narrative, infusing his drawing with emotion and depth. This made his work highly sought after by publishers and beloved by readers. Throughout his career, Robinson illustrated a wide range of books, including fairy tales, poetry, and children's stories. Some of his notable works include illustrations for Alice's Adventure in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass by Lewis Carroll, Grimm's Fairy Tales, and The Secret Garden by Francis. His ability to adapt his style to suit different genres and narratives was a testament to his versatility and skill as an illustrator. In addition to his books' illustrations, Robinson also contributed to periodicals and produced a significant body of work in other artistic disciplines. He designed booklets, postcards, and advertisements showcasing his versatility and wide ranging talent. His contribution to art and illustrations were not limited to the printed page. He also worked on stage design and mural paintings, further demonstrating his creative range. Robinson's influence extended beyond his own works. He played a vital role in the broader artistic community. He was an active member of the Art Workers Guild, an organization dedicated to the promotion of craftsmanship and design. His involvement in the Guild reflected his commitment to the artistic ideals of the arts and crafts movement, which emphasized the importance of hard craftsmanship and artistic integrity. Despite his success, Robinson remained dedicated to his craft and continued to produce work of exceptional quality throughout his life. His illustrations were not merely decorative, they were in- integral to the storytelling process, adding layers of meaning and enhancing the reader's experience. He, his legacy is evident in the continued popularity and the enduring appeal of the books he illustrated. Charles Robinson passed away on 2nd October 1937, leaving behind a rich legacy of illustrated works that continue to enhance the inspire. His contribution to the field of illustration is undeniable, and his work remains a testament of his extraordinary talent and artistic vision. Robinson illustrations are celebrated not only for their beauty but also for their ability to transport readers into the world of the stories they accompany, making him one of the most beloved illustrators of his time.